all my life. Been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all.
We at the Gun and Knife Show in Gonzales at Lamar Dixon. Make sure you like and subscribe. Look there like that big ass.
Y'all got the stunt gun like the shoot out?
Not the ones that shoot, but definitely the.
What the fuck?
These ones sell for 50, 2 for 90, and they come with it's complete.
You do got want that shit. I'm saying. What you call it, Bill? The High Point.
Oh yeah.
They call it something else now.
What?
The High Point. They call it something else. That's amazing. $25. And brace cheap too.
$10.
Right too.
459. Oh, 459.
That one too. That bit longer.
Look at the baby gun.
For the 4. I was shooting that for the New Year. I mean, it was bigger though. Probably was down. And you got FN. See. Oh, they want 300. I get that bit for less than that.
But this one?
Yeah. See, this bitch cheaper at the Academy. This one about 230.
This?
Yeah, Academy.
That's what pretty good. She wanted to know.
I sent it to Michelle. It's called a Sky something.
That's what she wanted to do there.
You know, FN over here. Though. Smith and Wesson. 10 millimeter. See, I like something like this. I like how that bitch feel. That bitch feel good. Look at them things, them serrations in there. FN, yo. That's 10 millimeter though.
Oh, they ain't mad though. But it is though. 7, 8.
Ooh, that bitch good. Drake's. Ooh, that bitch heavy. That bitch heavy, yo. That bitch got some weight on it. You could knock a nigga out that bitch.
Oh man, okay, that's too much. You gotta hold that bit like that. Yeah. I don't want it like that.
Fuck that.
Oh.
That's a play game. I ain't had that bitch play with. Yeah, old school.
Damn.
It's 5'7", yo.
Yeah.
That's that one you wanna. We only got a fucking Tommy gun with the drum on that bitch. That's a good ass price. You don't know nothing about that. Boy, some Thompson. Ooh. Thank me. Man, that motherfucker big in person.
I seen that bitch.
Shit. That's why that bitch knocking nigga ass like all these nice. That little, what that is? That bitch nice. That 9 right there. That bitch nice. Springfield. That's a pretty ass gun. That girl, silver and black one. That bitch pretty. I like that clip on it. Down at the big boys. God. How you doing?
All right.
Black Rambo shit. You be watching him on YouTube?
Yeah.
What they 9?
Oh, hold on. Still looking.
No
It's
problem.
too much. I can't take it out here right now.
Hey, dude, do what you gotta do, bro. I thought that's what you said.
Oh yeah, I was saying I do need some more.
There you go.
That's a fucking good. 40? Oh, 40? What the fuck? That's a good ass video. Shit. That's a deal, yeah. It's 9 right here. 9, 260. Oh, it's a bitch feel like a little baby
That
dick.
come with 2 clips? Another
Sorry?
clip? This come with another clip. And then all that good stuff.
Two magazines, right? Two 12 round. I'm sorry, that one's gonna have 17 round
I
mags.
thought so, yeah, 17.
Yeah.
I seen that online. Big boy. Yeah.
These two qualified right here. These are only trade-ins. You don't buy guns from people off the street.
The judge.
Now look at
Now, this is a free transfer.
You don't have to go to them.
Not here, no.
Yeah.
that's why I said them other ones over there. Hey, look at you. I don't like. Now this crazy. See them bitch take. I don't like the magazine.
That's the ghost.
They got one like these. The bitch shoot shotguns. Now it's some bull crap here. That's ugly. That's ugly as a bitch. You can't lift this bitch.
That's the drug agent.
Yeah,
Damn, bro,
ugly
paying
as
for
hell.
400.
Huh?
350.
I'm not gonna get that ugly ass.
Alright.
Yeah?
What?
Let's get it.
I know they gonna get it.
I heard
It's
nothing but
cheap.
good things about it.
359.
That shit ugly.
Plus would have got it.
Yeah, like she like that shit on there, bro.
Yeah. What? I'm gonna send it to her.
Ooh, 450.
I'm working on your own.
Them big gonna knock shit back.
That shit gonna knock
That's
it
all
out.
you need. They gonna get the business clear at that bitch. That's a good ass price. I'm thinking that bitch high as a bitch. Nigga. Yeah, sorry about that. This is my first time ever doing is recording video, stuff like that for YouTube. So the video gonna be kind of bad, but I'm gonna try to upload some more exclusive content. This is my first video, so please bear with me. But I did make a video. This the video afterwards. I just went out and dagger with a Long Island iced tea. I'm gonna show y'all what we got from 2024 gun show. Reloader. And we got the Taurus. Come with the extra mag, 17 rounds. And this Taurus G3. It's the Taurus G3, 17 round, full size pistol. It's beautiful. And they also got the lock come with it. Right. So it's a good budget gun. If y'all ever think about getting the first time gun, that'll be the gun, the Taurus, the G2, my bad, the G2, the G3 in it. The Taurus, they got the Ruger's cheap. It just gotta look, but that's a good first budget gun. And that's y'all, so hopefully I'll upload some more exclusive content for y'all. And that'll be all. Thank y'all.